Right, so hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one, we're looking at BFT again, which is of course that Paysafe SPAC, which is going to be going public at some point in the earlier part of 2021. So for that reason, I do believe, it's kind of hotting up right now, and I think the opportunities for growth are going to continue to increase, and for that reason, we're given my personal forecast for the next week or so. So of course, this one is mainly for the next week. We don't really know what's going to happen over the long term, and of course, I'm going to give a little bit of my view on that one, but yeah, this one is going for the next week, so obviously that's the context of it. If it does sound like a good plan for a video, please do leave a like and subscribe. You guys know that we are trying to grow the channel, so every single subscriber would help us massively. On top of that, guys, if you do want to come talk to us on Discord, you can. Link to the Discord is down in the description. But before we do start, by the way, this is all just my opinions, and of course things can change. It may not be 100% true, and I am not a financial advisor, but we are just going off what I have been seeing over the past week to make these predictions. So yeah, guys, first thing to note before we do begin, of course, the Paysafe merger is expected to go through, or at least close, in the first half of 2021. Now guys, it's obviously January now, and there is a few months until that does potentially happen, but it is going to be happening relatively soon. Now this is another one of those where I know it's kind of frustrating because we don't fully know when it is going to be, and it's probably going to be quite a while, to be honest, but it's kind of a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. I think this is one of the more anticipated ones going public in quarter one, or at least in 2021 in general so far, so I think that's not a bad thing. I think it's definitely going to be a high growth opportunity when it comes to this one over the next few weeks and months. But yeah, when it comes to like the next week or so, based on what we have been seeing, I think it's hard to say. I think we may be seeing this one go up a little bit more. Honestly, based on what we have been seeing, it has been increasing steadily over the past week or so, and obviously going out to 1 month, we can see it's been pretty flat, but overall it has been slowly pushing upwards. So my personal views, I would like to see this one slowly start to push upwards a bit more. And when it comes to this one, I don't think it's going to be insane growth in the next week unless something amazing happens in regards to the stock. But my personal views on this one is it is not a bad company. Actually, I do like Paysafe a lot when it comes to the company. And when it comes to the merger, the closer we get to that date, the more hype we are going to see, in my personal opinion. And I think the more growth we are going to see on the company. So yeah, either way, whether we see growth this week or not, I think it's going to be an opportunity to buy in. But if you are going to be buying in, I would definitely hold it for a few months until at least closer to merger, because in my personal view, when we get close to that merger date, I think we'll be seeing a lot more growth. So yeah guys, basically the overall view which I'm trying to say here is, in my personal opinion, I don't think that $15 is a bad point at all, and I would say that if we are going to be seeing growth, it's going to be closer to merger. So personally, I would only be buying this one if you can, if you really can wait for that long. I don't think it's a bad thing. I don't think it's too long to wait at all, because I do think that we will be seeing decent returns. But I know that some of you guys are kind of impatient, and fair enough to you, but that's just my personal view. So yeah, if you're going to be holding for the next few weeks and months, probably not a bad thing. Obviously, if you're holding for like the next week or so, maybe not the best opportunity out there. But yeah, that's my opinions. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.